Shenseea Romeich and Romeich goes to Walmart. Spice is back home after 2 months, and Nicki Minaj swear that she never did coke in her life.
I have never, ever in my life, with my hand to Jesus Christ, and y'all know how I feel about my Lord and Savior, never in my life, ever, not even once, sniffed coke.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, I have some video lined up for showing you today. I have a quick thing with Shenseea Romeich and Romeich, and also I have a little thing with Spice, and then we are going to get into Nicki Minaj video. So Shenseea and Romeich at Walmart shopping, and Raja video them. So I have the video for showing you, and then I go telling you what Raj says. So take a look at the video. Here goes.
Guys, is this your new job?
Things rough.
What? Things rough? How are you holding your hand? You're holding your thing, and you got a shopping cart full of things next to you, and you have a clothes, and you're putting them in. Guys? Yeah. Alright, what? You're not working.
People, so let's see what I go on, right? So this was posted on Raj page, and this is what he said in the caption. Him say, I don't think they would do a good job at this, and him tag Shenseea and him tag Romeich. So people, you know what I mean, this just make me smile a little bit. Me love to see the flex, you know what I mean, Shenseea them out. You see me? Yeah, people, so that's Spice, and she's back home in Jamaica. She says she haven't been home in 2 months. I want to see she a go on with herself right now. But they have to just take out the music out of the video due to copyright. But she a danced to her song Go Down There, right? She and Sean Paul and Shaggy. Obviously, we could hear it at the start of the video, right? So, yeah, people, Spice glad to be back home. Big up Spice. Now, people, the next person I want to show is Nicki. And we know say Nicki is not really our regular topic. I post her yesterday, and I post her back today. But I just feel like this, a lot of females can relate to what she has said. She has said she never snort coke. Then she move on to talk about when she was pregnant, the thing them where she has sniffed. She has a bleach and alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So take a listen to what she's saying. Here goes.
I have never, ever in my life, with my hand to Jesus Christ, and y'all know how I feel about my Lord and Savior, never in my life, ever, not even once, sniffed coke. Ever. Since I was a kid, I get cold. Like, and when I used to wear contacts, that would trigger my allergies. I'm always just colder than everyone else. I asked the doctor, was I anemic? He said no, your natural body temperature is just lower than the average person. So that means, somebody said perks only. Child, okay? Because I mean, and it ain't, hi Lady Luck, it hasn't been perks only, but all you gotta do is listen to my motherfucking music to know any drug I ever motherfucking did. And if I ever snipped coke, or if that was my thing, hola Fernando, ¿qué pasó contigo? Dímelo. Viva Monse. Viva Asca de la Renta. If I ever did coke at any time in my life, I would have been rapping about it. Now, thank you, Booth. I always, if anybody that went on tour with me, I'm always like that. Thank you, Frenchie. Anybody that from my hood, like that's just never been my drug of choice. I do take Allegra every day, and also I have to take Allegra now sometimes twice a day. But if I was crying, or if I was just blowing my nose, or if I was cold, this is me all day. Runny, sniffly, all the time. So, yes, I have put raps in my, like I've said lyrics like keep the snow white, I could buy it by the bundle. I'm talking about weight. In fact, I've only ever even seen coke in bricks. Who is Stevie J said? We don't do coke, we don't drink that. King Tom, you know they just want something. But, hey Asian. But if you, like I said, if you want to know, since y'all want to know my drugs and all of that, just listen to my music. Hi Nivea, hi baby girl, hi beautiful girl. Nicki Minaj. Know my drugs and all of that. Just listen to my music. Hi Nivea, hi baby girl, hi beautiful girl. Nicki Minaj California said, woke up, the price of coke up. Yeah, I be talking about coke in reference to like weight, bricks. But when I talk about what I actually do, I say popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. I say shit like that because that's what the fuck I'm actually doing. And if I was to, by the way, I know a lot of people that what's up TV, what's good? You already know. Hi Jack Queens. By the way, I have a lot of friends or acquaintances in the industry that actually do coke. I don't judge them for it, but I've never tried it, never wanted to, never asked them to. Especially in the fashion world, that's so common and normal. But yes, again, let me say it for the ones in the back, my hand to God. And see, that's the thing. When people used to lie about me, I never used to clear my name. And there was someone who took a major step and told that lie to people. And I never addressed it. Because I thought it was too ridiculous at the time to address. But something just told me I was in a good mood. Hi, Big Sean. Love you so much. Fendi, what's up? Fendi, can you please let these people know I've always been a sniffling ass bitch? I've never in my life, let me say it again, we can do a lie detector test, we can do a hair follicle test, get the hair, my hair is long as fuck, get the hair from my motherfucking scalp all the way down to my pussy, bitch. Cause that's where it reached, my pussy, bitch. It reached this good blood clot, wet, tight up blood clot thing. Yeah, and I know all my Jamaican fans be like, bitch, if you don't stop with that fake ass accent. All right. Shout out to Southside Jamaica, motherfucking Queens. No, I know it's time. I know you saying it's not working, but yes, I would be willing to take this motherfucking wig motherfucking off and get my long ass motherfucking strand of hair and test it to see if I've ever in my life sniffed some fucking coke. Never. So when people lie, you know, the fact that people, or a person before, Mo, what's good? General DZ, what's good? Lied on me and told y'all that lie, and I never corrected it. I should have. I never used to really correct lies people told on me. I did that for years, and to be honest, is one of the things I regret. I regret not clearing, you know, my name with a lot of stuff. I got this little pimple, but ain't no coke. Ain't no coke, bitch. No. That ain't that. I'm scared to sniff something. Well, you know what I have. Hey, Rico Dana was good. You know what I have started sniffing? I ain't gonna lie. Hi, Riley. Hi, baby. You know what? Tay, pass me that right there so they could see if they really wanted to know what I be sniffing.
What?
My little bottle. No, that. Yeah. There's no more in there. Open it. Now, to be honest, if y'all don't pass nothing by my face, cause if this filter come on. Shit.
You look good without it, but
Right.
it's okay.
Hey Heather, this is what, if y'all really want to know, I be sniffing alcohol, rubbing alcohol. I ain't gonna lie, I love the smell of it. Since I was pregnant, I started sniffing bleach a little bit when I was pregnant. And please don't think my cheekbones is this dramatic, y'all. This is a filter on my face for y'all that don't know. And if y'all hear my stomach growling, excuse me, I haven't eaten all day. Next thing you know, they're gonna say I'm on a different drug, bitch. They got my stomach growling. But I like sniffing rubbing alcohol, and I love sniffing bleach. If y'all must, no. A lot of people be trying to bond with me and say they was sniffing gasoline when they was pregnant. No, no. But them cravings when you pregnant, oh my Lord. I really had the bottle of cleaning product by my bed so that I could just wake up in the morning and smell the cleaning products real quick. Like, it's crazy. And now, thank you, Prima Donna. And now I can't stop eating fucking ice. But this smells so good, this fucking alcohol. I was gonna sniff it, but I didn't want to put it by my face to move the filter, bitch. So, but now I can't stop eating my ice. It's from my pregnancy too. I can't stop. So that's why my weight, even we was just talking about it, like my weight fluctuates now from that, because it'll be like a lot of water weight. I'll have, like, we'll do a photo shoot. Ew, somebody said gasoline smells better than alcohol. Hell no. Hell no. I'll do a photo shoot and I'll be looking, and then by the end of the day, I done ate like 20 cups of ice, and then it'd be a different story, child, for how I'll be looking sometimes. So yeah, but
we got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.